In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a conversion event tag in Google Ads in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Google Ads or simply need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and precision. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Once you're there, click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. You'll need to enter your Google account credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up to proceed. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. From here, look for the Goals section located in the menu on the left-hand side. Clicking on Goals will take you to a new section where you can manage and evaluate your campaign objectives. Next, click on New Conversion Action. This is where you begin setting up a new conversion event tag to track specific actions you want users to take on your website. The platform will guide you through the process, but let's go through the key elements together. Once you've clicked New Conversion Action, it's time to click on Start Tracking. This is an essential step as it prepares you to define which activities on your website you consider valuable conversions. Now let's enter your website's domain. This is important because it tells Google Ads where the conversion event should be tracked. After typing in your domain, click on Scan. This action ensures that Google Ads properly acknowledges your domain and checks for any existing tags already associated with it. After the scan is completed, navigate to the conversion goal option. Select this to begin defining the specific action that counts as a conversion on your site. Maybe it's a purchase, a subscription, or even a contact form submission. The choice depends on what you find most valuable for your business. With the conversion goal in place, go ahead and click on Add a Conversion. Here you'll need to type in a name for your conversion event. Choose something descriptive that will help you quickly identify and remember the conversion action recorded when reviewing data later. Once you've named your conversion, click on Done. This solidifies your conversion action settings and prepares everything for the final step. Finally, ensure everything is saved and working correctly by clicking on Save. To finish up, click on Google Tag, which provides you with a snippet of code. This is crucial as it must be embedded into the header section of your website to effectively track the conversion events. If you're not familiar with coding, consider reaching out to a web developer to help integrate this tag properly. And there you have it, a complete conversion tracking setup ready to be implemented. This allows you to monitor and evaluate essential actions taken by users on your site, helping to optimize your advertising strategies over time. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more how-to content.